Okay, we are continuing here. Basically, I'm gonna go with this part right here. I'm holding middle scroll and shift down to pan over. Basically, I'm just gonna work on the green cube, okay? So any changes I make with the red, so for example, the red hits here at frame 48, right? So the green needs to start, normally in animation, usually you start a frame or two right before you get the action. But for you guys, I'm gonna leave it as is, okay? So I'm gonna say at frame 48, the green cube does something, okay? So at 49, it's gotta start moving. I don't understand what this is. At 47, I'm just gonna go delete. And I'll move this over one this way. G is grab and X brings it over, okay? In this app, you can use your hotkeys. So at 48, as it hits, this starts moving, okay? This takes forever, look at this. 48 to here, okay? So let's say I'm okay with that part. Boom. I can make that faster to make it snappy. There's a hold and there's a takeoff, okay? So what I can do here, GX, I can slide this in a bit, go over here. So what I'm gonna do is do a squash and then a stretch again. Same thing, select the key, copy, 2 frames over, paste, there you go. And then I'm gonna go S for scale. Oh, sorry. I'm not gonna do S for scale because I would normally, if I'd use the spider web, I would have to do it like this, SZ. Most of you will not be comfortable with that at all. Okay, so I'll just go like that, G, Z, basically is what I did. Okay, so from 75 to 77, oh, like that, right there. Okay, and then again, like I said, hold it, stay down, 77, stay in the spot, copy. So I'm gonna go to 81, 4 frames, I'm gonna hit paste. And then I'm gonna snap out of it in 1 frame. Okay, I'm gonna go, well, let's just do 2 for now so you can keep your life easy. At 82, I want this to be all ones. Tab 1, come on man, let's go 1, tab 1, tab 1, thank you, yeah, 1 again. However, I want this to be just above where it was before. It just goes into this, boop, like that, okay? So this is 1, okay? But I'm gonna now go this way. Just like that. Okay, just like that, and maybe even do something like this. So it's really quick. Yeah, so from here, you hold, and it does this nice snap. And see, this is the problem, right? It's going down, right? It's because of the graph editor. And I'm not gonna show you graph editors, so I'm gonna get rid of that frame right now. Watch this. I'm gonna go here, GX. Guys, can you close my door? Just like almost to the point that it's closed. Thanks. Oops. I don't know what happened here. If I press GX, boom, like that. So I'm just gonna snap, bump, like that, and out. So that's it. Goes, and then takes off really fast. Well, we don't want the same speed at all time. That's it. So if I look at this in the camera view, I think I'm out of frame. So I'll go to view here. I'll double check. I'm gonna fix this in a second. So watch, like that, right? So I'm just gonna go option, middle scroll, and wrong app, Balian, wrong app. It's not option, it's shift in Blender. Yeah, it's option, boom, and it goes like that. So here I'm keeping it in the frame, and I'm gonna deselect this, then N, numeric input, bye-bye. So here, so you go boom, boom, like that, and then you come down here. This time you say rocket, so I know which video this is, okay? So I'll go rocket, and FFmpeg, MPEG-4, H.264, high quality. Wait for your classmate to come back, please. Thank you. Okay, sorry. That's how it works around here. Just go. Quickly. 237, render animation. So now we just render frame by frame. And do me a favor, save all these videos, okay? You're gonna show off your work based on your progression, not how amazing your shot is, how you went from the beginning, the middle, and the end. And we're not looking for perfection, okay, guys? We're not looking for perfection. Thank you. And then I'll have to go and find my video, which is somewhere on another.